Hi, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a demo on how connections work. So first of all, how to find connections is the top of the swarm settings panel. Up here, it's the most left button under the data source. It says new connections. So just to give you a background of what I'm using to show this is our life expectancy flow, the data that we have in our library, and so I've just put year on the x-axis, life expectancy on the y-axis, and on the z-axis I have each country. So we just start out with a bunch of dots in space, and then we connect them to create a line chart. So there's a few different options here on connect dots. I'll talk through them really quick. You can go in row order, so this depends on how your CSV file is sorted, and it will just go across in the order. And then when column values match is the default, and so you have to specify a column for that. So I'm going to click country, and that's going to connect all of the lines by country. There's also by comma separated row numbers, which is if you want to define your connections in your CSV file, you could do that in its own column. And then you can also add these drop lines, essentially where it connects the point and draws a line down to either the bottom of the chart, the axis, or to a map if you're mapping points onto a map. So it looks kind of silly, but it is really useful in a lot of cases. Same thing, just to show you what row order looks like. That's going to take each day and go all the way through and then revert back to the next day. So that's why you get these kind of funky rainbow colors, but it's really beautiful. So there's a few different settings with those. But yeah, you can change the opacity of the lines. You can change the way that the color is represented on the lines as well. So you can have it match the dot color, have it be a fixed color, have it be a gradient color, and we talk a little bit more about in the color and size video. So if you'd like to see that, I'll add a link below. And then you can also customize the line thickness. Hopefully that gives you a little bit more information on how connections work.